Okay, well, welcome to my tutorial. Actually, it's not a tutorial, it's just a time lapse. So I'll show you how I was able to get this result in Blender. So, as you can see, I snapped the default cube and I added a plane. The point of this is just to get the base shape first. Once you are able to get the base shape, everything else will just be coordinated. I got that base shape out and duplicated it and increased and reduced the size. Just give it some sense of randomness, and I placed that on the ground firmly. Okay, then I just took out my shortcut VUR because it was kind of messing up the screen. So now that we've gotten the basic shape, what we're going to basically do is that we're going to create arrays. We're going to create arrays of this materialized form of the mesh. So as you can see, I'm selecting everything. I'm going to select everything, then take out the skin, take out those vertices. Now that we have the vertices, we're going to take them and convert them to curve, then add geometry. Under the geometry tab, we're going to add them to give it some kind of skin geometry. Once we've added that skin geometry, we're going to then add an emission shader to that to give it a little bit of life and lightness. So there we go. Then I applied the array modifier to them both and tweak the values until I got the correct one. As you can see, for the skin it was quite hard. I had to continuously tweak until I got the right value. So then I wanted it to be like the one on my wallpaper, as you can see there. So I had to just use it as reference and get the objects in the right place. Get the right placement, shift to plane. Yeah, we're almost done. Now, just to redirect the light, I actually prefer using an area light because it gives softer shadows. So then increase the power till it's just right. So you can see the render mode on the left side of the screen to make it easier for you. I just took a little more reference from my wallpaper. There we go. And as you can see, it's starting to look better, softer shadows. Then we have to duplicate the light again to fill out the background. Create a base shape for the ground. I have to deselect the ones on the bottom, then I'll add bevel to the ground. This is going to be the base for the ground as well. Then I'm going to add an array modifier and duplicate that until it's just enough, then add another array modifier to fill that in. And as you can see on the screen, they are looking quite repetitive. That's the point. The pattern and the shadows and the soft shadows are just going to complement the ground. Of the shadows and the soft shadows are going to be a good help. So I just needed a little bit of randomness. So I added random planes, random extruded planes to different positions just to add that life or randomness to it, just make it look natural. Then underneath the plane, I added an emission plane at the bottom, so it will look more natural, more futuristic, more technological, as you can see. Properly lighted, properly functional. So that's the final result.